Okay, let's get into it. Today we're doing a deep dive into some pretty specialized hardware. We're looking at the Atlona AT-VGW-HW-T2.
The Velocity Hardware Gateway, yeah.
Right. And our mission really is to figure out why a big organization, a university or a corporate campus, would choose a dedicated box like this over a more decentralized approach.
Well, you see the price tag first. It's around $4,600. And you immediately ask, what is this thing doing?
Exactly.
And the answer is specialization. This is a purpose-built server gateway designed to take the headache out of managing AV control, room scheduling, all of it, across dozens of rooms.
Which brings us to, I think, the most surprising thing here, the simplicity. The biggest pain point for enterprise AV has always been the custom programming, right?
Oh, absolutely. Needing specialized coders for every little change.
But with this, an integrator can basically configure and deploy entire systems with just a web browser. No programming. That seems huge.
It is huge. It completely changes who can manage the system, and that no-code approach is what allows it to scale so effectively.
So what kind of scale are we talking about?
We're talking about one gateway supporting 20 rooms of full AV control.
Running. Okay.
Plus another 40 rooms just for scheduling, and it can manage up to 1,000 IP devices on the network.
Wow. And you can add more rooms if you need to.
You can. They have these optional software licenses, the AT-VRL-W, that let you add up to 10 more rooms. Well, it's a very scalable model.
That's a staggering amount of control from one little box. But, all that scheduling is useless if it doesn't talk to the tools people are already using.
It has to. And it does. The scheduling server is built to be open. It syncs right up with Google Workspace, Office 365, Microsoft Exchange.
Well, the big ones.
All of them. Even Astra Schedule. So there's no painful data migration. It plugs into your existing calendar system.
Okay, let's pivot a bit. When you're running that many systems, reliability becomes everything. Downtime is just not an option. So what's built in here to prevent that?
The architecture is really smart about this. For one, it has dual gigabit Ethernet ports.
Right. I saw that. What's the big deal there?
It's about isolation. It lets you create a completely separate LAN for all your AV gear, the displays, the switchers, everything.
So you're keeping all that AV traffic off the main corporate network.
Exactly. It helps with performance, so you're not slowing down the main network, but it's also a huge security measure. It limits the attack surface.
Got it. That makes a lot of sense. But what about, total failure if the hardware itself goes down?
That's where redundancy comes in. You can run two of these gateways in tandem,
Right.
a primary and a backup.
So you get automatic failover.
Instant automatic failover. If the main one has an issue, the backup takes over immediately. For a mission-critical boardroom, that's non-negotiable.
And I'm assuming the security protocols are up to snuff for that kind of environment.
Oh, yeah. It's all industry standard stuff. HTTP2, HTTPS, secure WebSockets with TLS and AES 128 encryption. Your data is locked down.
And IT can manage all of this from anywhere, right? Through that remote gateway service.
Absolutely. The AT-VPS-RG service, it lets your team troubleshoot, push updates, and reconfigure things over the internet. No more rolling a truck for a small change.
So if we boil it all down for you, the listener, what we're really seeing is an operational shortcut. The AT-VGW-HW-T2 is about taking enterprise-level control and scale and making it incredibly fast and simple to deploy.
Right. And that leaves us with a really interesting thought to chew on. Think about this. What does it mean for the structure of an IT department when this kind of high-end, specialized hardware is specifically designed to get rid of the need for custom coding, when any general IT staff can manage an advanced AV system that used to require a team of rare, expensive programmers? That's the real shift happening here.